Social reformer R.K. Meghen Sanayaima has questioned as to what extent Manipur has to sacrifice for the betterment of India. The social reformer stated this during the title conferment book release function held today at MDU Hall Yai School, organized by Apunba Khorirol Gi Malem Gi Lup. A book titled Ima, authored by Kanta Khuraijam, was also released. R.K. Meghen further questioned the logic behind conducting elections in Manipur when the state is in turmoil marred with deaths and destructions. While the election is a democratic process, it is unjustifiable given the sorry state of affairs in hills and the valley, he added. Welcoming the decision of a revolutionary group to hold peace talks with the government, Meghen said it can achieve the ultimate revolution goal should the group's stance be resolute on the revolutionary principles. However, once it deviates from the principles, the entire exercise will be futile, added Meghen. Meghen further said the fate of the 10-month-old crisis gripping the state entirely rests on the government of India.
Government on Jalabani, cookie cry privacy, Hana Suda Labasu, Corner, and Mari Sankalapa, Menmamasako kissing, Sankalapasi, Sudi Autos, Mam Yorio, Aina, Kangwin forms in the day. I am say, much luxury Sanga. Aduna, Madu control Tauropa, Adum film later, under Han Hanagi, status conte, Hana later film though, Madu has a lovely Taurasi, in the government effectively Laurova, Aduga, and Marumde has a labor cookie Masasi, Masi detection over, deport over, Masi visibly, Kangna, Chataraba, Aduragadi, Tampaka labor sing the show, Karimaka Tabaka, step locally Hana, Kangan and Kale, Madu Kalamat of the day, Amuhana, peaceful process. So, how we have a film like they park Maru in Manipur, your films that Mishimana came to a Yamawana Mashuma Matam says that Michael Bangtopa gave my conducive atmosphere from Tue. Michael Bangtopiava, film Haitara, at the Hojoji Mati Mado, was Fatri in a Kali.